doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life.
Hi Wheelies fans, the big day's arrived. You ordered your Wheelies beach wheeler and now it's arrived. All comes in one box like that, and inside that box you'll have a beach tote bag that hangs on the cart frame. The cart frame itself, you'll have 4 wheels, and you'll have 2 axles and all the hardware that comes with it. Hardware will come in a bag like this. You'll also get complete assembly instructions. So now let's get to it and put it together. First thing you're going to want to do is set up your frame, and to do that, pick it up and fold it open until these frame locks pop into place. And that'll lock the frame in the open position. Put the hamper bar forward, then we can turn it upside down so that we can do the wheel assembly more easily. In the interest of saving time, I've already assembled the hardware from the kit onto the axles themselves. We'll put the front wheel kit on first, and what you'll do is slide these T-connectors onto the frame legs, and we'll secure those in place with these C-clip pins. There's holes in the T-connectors and they receive these pins, and what these do is lock the T-connectors to the frame itself. Next we'll install the rear axle assembly. Same way. Slide the T-connector over the frame tube on both sides and connect them to the frame with additional C-clip pins. Next you'll slide on the spacer tubes to ensure that the wheel doesn't bump into the connector or the frame tube. And finally, we'll secure the wheels to the axle with the quick clip pin. Drop these pins through, close the bail, and you'll be set there. Follow the same procedure for the rear wheels. Quick clip pin, wheel on the other side, quick clip pin. Now you're ready to turn the cart upright. And we can attach the tote bag by dropping it through this set of frame rails. Drop it through and then feed the brass grommets onto the little posts in the 4 corners. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And kind of arrange this back holder in between the bars there so you can put your hands on and handle. That's really all there is to it. Now you're ready to go to the beach and have a great day. Hi Wheelies fans. We often get asked, how do I store the new beach wheeler from Wheelies into my vehicle. How do I fold it up? How do I make it ready for transport? Today we're going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to want to do is take the tote bag off the frame. It'll probably be full of gear. You can put that in your trunk or your SUV, or in my case the back of my pickup truck. Next, what you're going to want to do is turn the unit upside down so that you can remove the wheels and axles. And we'll do that by taking the C-clip pins off, removing everything. You can take the wheels off the axle, but in this case we're going to leave the wheels on the axle. What we do recommend though is that you take the C-clip pins and feed them back through the connectors so that they don't get lost. Same with the quick clip pins. Next, we'll do the same thing for the front. Take those off along the way. Turn the unit back upright, and all you're going to need to do here is pull up on the frame locks, and that'll release the unit and it'll fold down, ready to put in your car trunk or SUV rear area. That's it, and you're ready to go.
Questions? Please feel free to call us toll free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.